Let's talk about sigma notation. If you're tired of writing a sum out where all of the terms follow a pattern, instead of writing it all out like this, we can use sigma notation to condense all of this to this. So here's how we can read this. So each term is represented by this expression over here. And we start by substituting in this number, and we go by increments of 1 until we reach this number. And sometimes we will see infinity here as well. Alright, so let's practice. Tell me what this is saying. Pause here if you need the time. If you set the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 99, you would be correct. And if you need help, all you do is substitute in n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 50, add them all up, and you would get this. Now let's try this one. What is this one saying? Pause here if you need the time. Yep, this is 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27 and so forth. And this goes on forever. Now let's go the other way. Let's write sums using sigma notation, starting with this one. Take a couple seconds. These are all square numbers, so one way we can write it is like this. Now, there's not just one way of writing these sums in sigma notation, so as long as whatever you're writing down produces the sum, you're great. Now, here's a trickier one where the signs switch. Pause here and think about it. So I see multiples of 2, so I'm going to write 2n, and to alternate signs, we can write either -1 to the n or -1 to the n plus 1. It just depends on what you're writing over here and what works over here. So there you have it. Sigma notation helps condense it so you don't have to write out a long sum. So if you want practice getting in and out of sigma notation, pause here and try these out.